This is crazy. Here it is, the end of March, and all it did last night was snow. I'm gonna go inside and do an unboxing for you guys. Can't do it outside today, that's too bad. Hi.
Hey.
You excited?
I am.
This is exciting times, isn't it? What do you think? We gotta push it over into the middle of the room. Is that cool?
I love box day.
Pretty heavy? What do you think?
No, he's still got the muscles. He can do it.
Look at this. Yeah. Muscles. The box is as big as you. There you go.
But I'm stronger than the box.
You are stronger than the box. I think that's a really good spot, hey?
I actually like the back. Hey, Maurice, can we talk about your shirt for a second? Because right in the back it says you're an RC addict in training.
I see. Nice shirt. You got this on our merch site.
Yep.
You're
I'm just gonna move my chair.
That's a good idea. I see that your shirt looks on backwards. Can you tell me why you have it on backwards?
I love it.
Nice. You like RCSparks up front, don't you? Is that the truth or what? Here, want to flip it around?
I'd love to.
Open it.
I am also ready to open it.
Yep.
Okay, so I know this box was sent to us by a company called Cross RC. Mm-hmm. Right? They are the company that actually made the vehicle for BUMBLEBEE-ST.
Oh.
But they knew that I was building a SPINTIRES truck, a mud runner, or the last mud runner truck I built was the King Kong RC, the CA-10, and they said, no, we have a truck that would be almost directly out of that game.
Spintires is a cool game. You've seen Spintires the game, right?
Yep. It's like spinning tires.
In the mud.
In the mud.
That's a great spinning tire impersonation.
Okay, this is a huge box. I have no idea what is inside here.
It's got fragile.
Yeah, it does. It got shipped all the way from China. They
It's a long boat ride.
Hand built it for us.
Good. Thank you.
Let's put it down.
They knew the viewers of the show would be super excited to see something like, look at this.
Come look.
The GC4 1/10 scale 4x4. And I have heard that they have done something super special for us.
That's a super cool body.
That is neat,
let's put this out.
Okay, hold on. Let's discover this together. Look at all the individual
Oh my gosh,
bags.
I look forward to cleaning that.
Woo! It's like a party up in here.
It's snowing bubble wrap.
I will be responsible for cleaning it up, Mom. I can now individually wrap all of my screws.
Oh, snowy. Bubble wrap angel.
Bubble wrap angels. Alright, you gonna help me with this?
Oh, this is a big box. We need muscles.
Okay.
All muscles on deck.
Okay, so here's a piece.
Yep.
Hand painted.
That's the back.
Be careful. Put it on the ottoman for Dad, please. Right over there. Do not drop it. Thank you.
Rule number 1.
More
don't drop it.
Yeah.
The styrofoam. Yeah! Just 1 second.
Oh my gosh. I have more of it. Oh man. You want to sneak a peek?
Can I?
Come over here. Look at this. Bum 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 bum.
So.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they included a radio.
Thank
you, Cross. Okay, so it came with 2 backs?
Wait. What?
It came with 2 backs.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I have no idea what is in here.
Hey, let's take a step back.
Wow. Okay. They did a really good job packing it. Making sure that this wasn't going to get damaged. I got to take out 1 piece at a time, guys.
Let's see this.
The RC.
Many bubble wrap bags had to die for this package.
Oh my gosh. Here we go.
What?
They said that this would be one of the coolest things in our collection.
Can I see?
Hold on, I'm getting it out still.
Dude.
Yeah.
It looks like I'm actually looking at a video game.
This is like the communications or mechanic truck.
Rusting detail and the aging.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. They got a shovel on the back. They know that we're coming up to 10 years on making RC adventures on YouTube. Yeah. Oh, this even gets better. They wanted to send this along to help us celebrate. What? I know, baby. I see it. Open it up.
Maurice, come look at this.
Look at this.
What? It opens the whole way.
Yeah.
A specialty truck. Holy doodle. This is like straight out of the game for when you need to repair the lumber trucks. Wow.
Whoa. What? That's amazing.
Their attention to detail on this stuff is insane. Okay, good. So there's one compartment.
Okay.
I wonder if this is where the battery would go.
Gotcha,
or,
smart.
Or a sound unit.
Hey Mo, what do you
well.
think about this?
I think he's more thrilled with the amount of plastic.
Hey, how do you entertain your child? Just have a whole bunch of packaging material.
Doesn't take anything expensive.
No. Parents be warned. Don't buy expensive toys for your kids.
No, sticks and very small. Well, I guess these are kind
Buy
of.
expensive toys for your husband, not for your not for your kids.
Okay, so communication antenna.
Oh, seriously cool.
Right? Calling out to everybody, letting them know that there is something going on. Thank you for helping me clean up the plastic, by the way, Maurice. It's very kind of you.
Yeah.
This side door opens up as well. Everything like that.
Oh man, look at the inside. It's so
Did they do
neat.
something cool?
Well, it's just like you can see through. Again, it's a nerdy thing, but when you can see through the windows, it makes it just.
This is the connector for the battery. They were nice enough to give me a secondary connector, so you can put the battery on the inside and build a whole unit.
Sandwich.
These tires, like they feel gross, which is like as a compliment because it's rusty.
They're
but
all
it's
rusty and grimy.
so it even smells rusty and grimy.
It's about as authentic as it gets. So I am looking at, let's look actually underneath the truck for a second. I want to be extra careful. Guys, don't get me wrong. I am always feeling so privileged to get something like this. We don't ever take these kind of things for granted.
They're a treat.
They're a treat. Like we're so lucky to have all the viewers here on YouTube to be able to share something as amazing as this with you guys. And I've got to get a battery to put it in here. I got to turn it on.
What size battery?
I'm going to put in a normal, just like a little 5000 3S battery in here, but I want to check the ESC first, just to make sure that it can handle a 3S. I'm pretty sure it can. Cool. They did so much for us here, like everything. Look at this. They even went into detail about what the buttons are, handwriting it in there.
Nice.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Like I'm stoked. Yeah. Well,
seriously cool.
Did you note that actually, and this is a tip for our viewers right now, they did the weathering with salt. They left salt on the inside of the rim. You can see it shining and all crystallized.
Which in a cool climate like we live in, that's a real thing.
Yeah, I've got it all over my truck right now. I try not to, but that's the
not add
highway
pepper.
in Canada. He expresses it as how I actually feel.
Yeah, he physically is excited. He's physically excited.
Okay, so I'm going to gently lift up, carefully, releasing the cab. Oh man,
They're
look
just
at
on
this.
tabs.
Yeah, right here. They just kind of squeeze right into the tabs. But look, they've gone in and done all the painting all the way down, even onto the motor, the servo in there, even the spare tires all
so
properly
cool.
rusted.
Gross.
Holy
and awesome.
cow. Okay, on. Oh,
we
yeah.
got lights.
Yeah. Holy cow, lights on top. Lights in the front. What do you think, Mo? Yeah, looking good, eh? Do you want to hear something neat? Watch here. If I can get her going.
That sounds like a real truck.
A diesel.
Okay.
They have a volume button here.
Let's see it.
And the horn. There it is.
Oh, always got to figure out a new machine. It's like driving a standard. You got to get used to the clutch.
Let's do it again. So cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to put this in your room, okay? You can have it on your bench as long as you don't push it around too hard. That's impossible.
Drive it around a little bit.
Yeah, I want to drive it around.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, good. Check. Tires work. Lights work. Check.
Do the signal.
Awesome.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Are you putting it down on the ground?
What? Let's get it down. Let it down. Get it down. Get it down.
Okay, and it has a 2-stage transmission, high and low. Whoa,
Oh,
there
wow.
it is.
Wow.
That's so much faster.
That's speedy.
And that's not even full throttle. Whoa!
I didn't know how fast it could go.
Super speed.
Let's see if it could crush this whole thing.
I don't think it'll crush it against the wall, but it can definitely go over this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, let's make a lap. Okay. Like this.
See, it's a little too high for Dad's truck. Look at, there we go. Oh, I want to be careful not to roll. There, that's going to be too high, brother.
Oh, it's too high.
I noticed that the volume is louder in reverse.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's go.
It's not idling up, I can hear that. But when you give it lots of throttle, she gives her and goes.
Very awesome. What do you think, Mo? What do you think?
Happy guy.
Yeah.
Happy guy. Super cool.
Okay, I need a Maurice and Aaron scale. How many thumbs up for this rig?
I give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
So we got four thumbs.
We're gonna take it out into the mud one day real soon, hey?
Yeah, well, that shouldn't be a problem. We have enough mud.
That is an awesome SPINTIRES truck.
Yeah. They did such a good job of actually making it look like just like the video game. Amazing.
Hey, truck.
Is that low?
That's low gear.
That's still a decent speed.
Yeah, and the sound kit sounds really decent. It might not sound good in my camera mic, but I tell you, in person it sounds decent. Okay, here we go, faster speed. That is not crawling, that is called owning the trail.
Yeah, that's called you're late for your shipment and you need to drop it off quickly.
Yeah. The mechanics and communications truck. Okay, listen. We gotta say thank you, hey?
Yeah.
Not only, come here, come and calm down for a second. Can we do this in a nice way to say thank you to Cross RC from RCSparks and all the RC adventurers out there that's going to be inspired to go out and build a new Cross RC? Yeah? There, what do you guys think? Hey, I'm going to leave some information in the video description box down below. If you're in North America and you want to order some Cross RC products, we've got a great site for you to check out down there. You okay? Yeah, I know, we're getting over a cold, aren't we? Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. A big thank you to Jem for taking the time to film for us. And as always, guys, we'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and have fun with the hobby of RC. You know I always do. Bye for now.
We have to do this.
Yeah, I think that'll work, actually. I think that'll work.
This.
Then how's it supposed to get up the other side?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, smart.
No, I made a shot.
That's a little too high, but we can try it again. Sure.
This will be the finish line right here. If he tries to poke into oh no! Just 1 second! No, I think you have a problem.
I see that. I'll back up.
Yeah.
Cool. Ready? Okay, move so the camera can see. He can see. Come and stand on this side.
No, I need to check on something.
Fun.